Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to decode something that often confuses many car owners: engine oil codes, specifically the SAE ratings. Understanding these codes is essential for keeping your engine running smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First off, what does SAE stand for? The Society of Automotive Engineers is an organization that sets standards for various automotive components, including engine oils. They developed a classification system to help us understand the viscosity and performance characteristics of different oils. Understanding viscosity. Now, let's talk about viscosity. Viscosity is a measure of an oil's resistance to flow. It's crucial because it affects how well the oil lubricates your engine under different temperatures. In the SAE system, you'll see numbers like 5 watts minus 30 or 10 watts minus 40. The W stands for winter, and the number before it indicates how the oil performs in cold temperatures. The lower the number, the better it flows in cold conditions. The two numbers explained. Let's break down the two numbers in these codes. The first number, like 5 and 5 watts minus 30, tells you how the oil behaves in cold temperatures. For instance, 5 watts oil will flow better than 10 watts oil when it's cold. The second number indicates how the oil performs at high temperatures. In our example of 5 watts minus 30, 30 means the oil will maintain its viscosity and provide adequate protection at higher temperatures. Multiviscosity oils. Most modern vehicles use multiviscosity oils, which means they perform well in both cold and hot conditions. This versatility is what makes oils like 5 watts minus 30 so popular among car owners. Using the right multiviscosity oil ensures that your engine is protected whether you're starting it on a cold winter morning or driving in hot summer conditions. Common SAE oil codes. Here are some common SAE oil codes you might encounter. 0 watts minus 20. Great for cold starts and fuel efficiency. 5 watts minus 30, a versatile choice for many vehicles. 10 watts minus 40, good for older engines that may consume more oil. 15 watts minus 50, often used in high-performance or racing applications. Always refer to your vehicle's owner manual for the recommended oil viscosity. Synthetic versus conventional oils. You might also hear about synthetic versus conventional oils. Synthetic oils are engineered to provide better performance and protection, especially under extreme conditions. They often come in similar SAE ratings but can offer additional benefits. And that wraps up our explanation of engine oil codes. Understanding these ratings can help you make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with different oils, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and keep your engine running smoothly.